You ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
Got them all eventually.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. Shooter ready. Stand by.
Front sight's in between there somewhere. First it was to the left, then it was to the right.
You know what? We just fucked up.
Uh-oh.
We didn't move.
I got an extra.
Enough?
I got another.
Okay. I'm going to wipe that one out.
That's fine.
You didn't want that one anyway.
Yeah.
It's your highest. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Hold on a second, Mike just realized.
I don't know if I've ever seen Michael shoot a 1911.
I've shot it before.
Awesome.
Shooter results. Shooter ready?
Sure.
Stand by. Unload and show clear. Slide forward. Pull the trigger and holster. Range is clear.
Ready.
Sure.
Stand by. I think I had these pulled out a little bit because of rimfire. I'm like, oh, that's good.
Geotech this morning. Geotech. Yeah.
Are you ready? Stand by.
I like it. I don't like it.
Gotta watch that left foot.
Yeah, I know it was like that.
I'm sorry.
What I have is this full
I could have swore I saw Mike's shadow with one finger.
Oh.
Something's going the wrong way. So.
Well, fortunately, that box is up a little high, so
Yeah.
it helped you out. This box, you put everything down. Are you ready?
Sure.
Stand by. Here, now I point to you, you don't need it.
Well, you had it kind of hidden the last time. Last string.
Are you ready?
Sure.
Stand by.
magnification difference between
Fine. Hammer. Holster.
I think they make a load too.
Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
This gun's got a safety. Just figured that out.
We were all safe.
So was that first piece of steel.
Shooter ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
The way it's done is by
Shooter ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
One for one's a lot better, huh?
Mm-hmm. Score improves too.
I'm sure it did.
Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Last string. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Slide forward, hammer, holster. Range is clear. Paint them up.